Hello and welcome to day 7 of the Halloween Craft Countdown, where I'm releasing a new craft project every day for the whole of October. Today's tutorial is nice and quick and simple, and it is customizing shop-bought candles with these cute little Halloween pumpkin faces. This is really easy to make, and it'll be a great craft for kids as well, as long as you supervise them whilst they're sticking it onto the candles. I have given you 5 free pumpkin face SVGs to add to your candles, so if you follow the link in the description of this video, you can go and download those SVGs. The first thing you'll need to do is measure your candles, so let's see how to do that. Here are my 2 candles that I've chosen for this project. I got these candles from Tesco, which is a grocery store in the UK, and I think I paid about £2 each for them, so they were quite affordable. I've got white candles as that's all I could find, but this would work really well with orange candles to make them look a little bit more like pumpkins. You'll want to choose candles in glass jars so that you've got something sturdy to stick the pumpkin faces to that isn't part of the candle itself. We need to decide how big to make the pumpkin faces, so take a ruler and hold it up to your candle. Place the ruler against the side to determine how big to size the pumpkin faces in Design Space. For this one, I think about 2 inches will be fine. The second candle is almost the same size, so 2 inches will work well for that one too. For both candles, I want to be able to see the whole of the pumpkin face without it bending too much around the sides, so bear that in mind when deciding on the size. Now we've got our sizes, let's head over to Design Space to cut the vinyl. Once you've uploaded the SVGs into Design Space, it really is as simple as just resizing them to the size of your candles and then cutting them out. So my candles were both about 2 inches wide, so I just need to click on each of the pictures, change the width to 2, and then the height will adjust automatically. So on this one again, I'm going to change the width to 2 inches, and the height will change automatically as well. And then I can just click Make It. And to make things a little bit easier when I'm removing the excess vinyl, I'm going to move these a little bit further apart from each other, just so that I can cut down that middle bit. And then I can click Continue, send it to my Cricut machine and cut it out of normal removable vinyl. So as this one's coming out of removable vinyl, I don't need to mirror it, so it can just stick like this. And then I'm using a Cricut Maker, and the material type I would choose would just be vinyl. So go ahead, cut out your pumpkin faces, and then let's stick them onto our candles. Here are my 2 pumpkin faces cut out from black adhesive vinyl. I've already weeded the designs, which means that I've peeled away the excess vinyl around the edges of the cutouts. You could use transfer tape to move all the pieces onto the candles, but as there aren't very many pieces, I think it'll be easier just to stick them on by hand. Peel each piece of the pumpkin face off of the backing paper and stick it onto the candle. Be sure to press down firmly to ensure a good stick. So look how easy it is to customize candles for Halloween in a flash. For my second candle, it's got some printed information from the manufacturer on the back, so I need to make sure the pumpkin face is right around the other side. Be sure to check your candles to see if they've got something similar on them. Again, I'm going to move all these vinyl pieces by hand, so I'm peeling each piece off of the backing individually and then sticking it firmly onto the candle. And then here we are, our 2 finished candles for Halloween. Wasn't that easy? Like I said at the beginning, this is a really fun project to make for Halloween. It's so quick to do and the results are really lovely. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe on YouTube for more crafting videos. I'm releasing a new Halloween craft tutorial every day in the whole of October, so be sure to check that out. if you want more spooky crafts. Thank you for watching.